The first thing in the morning is to go straight to the cell phone to turn off the alarm. But since you already have it in your hand, let's quickly check Instagram. And suddenly, 2 hours have passed. The smartphone is everywhere nowadays. Instead of communicating, people look at their cell phones. Instead of switching off after work, you can check your emails at home. Instead of sleeping early, you play a mobile game. Welcome to the world of zombies. If you want to believe the media, people spend an average around 3.25 and 5 hours a day on their smartphone. I tracked my own screen time and it was almost 21 hours in just 7 days. For me personally, this is way too much. I researched for solutions and I found the dumbphone. These are old phone models which offer less distractions and less instant gratification. The use of such a phone is to regain your concentration and your productivity, and above all, not to become dependent on your mobile phone. But let's be realistic. While a smartphone has lots of unnecessary apps and time wasters, it also provides huge advantages that I personally don't want to miss. Uncomplicated chatting via text messages, the navigation system, and the torchlight in case you secretly grab snacks at night. That's why I'm going to convert my smartphone into a dumb phone for my November challenge. For this change, we need to go into the settings and then digital balance or well-being. With the iPhone, it is called screen time. Now you can see the last week's screen time. Under app limits, you are able to restrict your unwanted apps. Look where you spend the most time and restrict those apps. I myself have blocked the Play Store, social media and the browser. Depending on your situation, I recommend restricting emails and mobile games as well. After these limitations, you should also turn off all notification for these apps. Next, let's make the general use of the dumb phone less appealing. For this, we go to away time and activate the gray screen. The lack of colors makes it much less appealing to use. If you would like to take part in this challenge, but you are afraid that you are too undisciplined, you can also enter a PIN or have a friend or family member enter it. This will set you another hurdle to successfully complete this experiment. Finished! Something like this is now our phone for this month. You might actually not know it yet. This is a huge step for yourself. Modern digital stimulations provide us with a lot of instant gratification and way too much dopamine for our brain. Taking a break from these digital stimulations can literally change your brain.